Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
While white kitchen cabinets have long been a popular choice for their timeless appeal and ability to brighten up a space, there's a world of beautiful colors beyond white that can add character and personality to your kitchen. From rich blues to soft greens, here are some stunning paint colors for your kitchen cabinets that will transform your space into a stylish and inviting culinary haven. Navy blue. Navy blue is a classic and sophisticated choice for kitchen cabinets. It adds depth and richness to the space while maintaining a timeless appeal. Pair navy cabinets with brass hardware for a luxurious look, or with white countertops and backsplash for a crisp contrast. Navy blue. Navy blue is a classic and sophisticated choice for kitchen cabinets. It adds depth and richness to the space while maintaining a timeless appeal. Pair navy cabinets with brass hardware for a luxurious look, or with white countertops and backsplash for a crisp contrast. Sage green. Sage green cabinets offer a fresh and calming vibe to the kitchen. This soft, muted green hue brings a touch of nature indoors and pairs well with natural wood tones and earthy accents. It creates a serene and inviting atmosphere, perfect for cooking and gathering. Rich teal. Rich teal cabinets make a bold statement in the kitchen, adding a pop of color and personality. This deep blue-green shade adds warmth and depth to the space and pairs beautifully with gold or copper accents. Consider using teal cabinets for an island or a focal point in the kitchen. Warm taupe. Warm taupe cabinets provide a sophisticated and neutral backdrop for the kitchen. This earthy tone adds warmth and coziness to the space while still feeling modern and elegant. Pair taupe cabinets with white or marble countertops for a timeless look. Soft gray blue. Soft gray blue cabinets offer a serene and coastal-inspired feel to the kitchen. This subtle hue creates a relaxing atmosphere and pairs well with natural materials like wood and stone. Add brass or bronze hardware for a touch of warmth and elegance. Muted olive. Muted olive cabinets bring a sense of warmth and depth to the kitchen. This earthy green tone adds character and charm while still feeling fresh and modern. Pair olive cabinets with brass or black hardware for a stylish contrast. Blush pink. Blush pink cabinets add a soft and romantic touch to the kitchen. This subtle hue creates a warm and inviting atmosphere and pairs beautifully with gold or brass accents. Use blush pink cabinets sparingly or in combination with neutral tones for a sophisticated look. Dark chocolate brown. Dark chocolate brown cabinets exude richness and warmth, adding a sense of luxury to the kitchen. This deep, dramatic color pairs well with light countertops and backsplashes for contrast. Consider using brown cabinets in combination with white or light-colored walls for balance. Deep burgundy. Deep burgundy cabinets make a bold and glamorous statement in the kitchen. This rich, regal color adds depth and drama to the space and pairs beautifully with gold or brass accents. Use burgundy cabinets as a focal point or in combination with neutral tones for a sophisticated look. When choosing a non-white paint color for your kitchen cabinets, consider factors such as natural light, kitchen size, and existing decor to ensure a cohesive and harmonious result. Test paint samples in the space and observe how they interact with different lighting conditions and materials before making a final decision. With the right cabinet color, you can create a beautiful and inviting kitchen that reflects your personal style and enhances your everyday life. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!